Alright, welcome back. Today we are doing a smooth scroll, which is already built in, but you just have to activate it in HTML, which is not very hard, but we'll just do a quick test to see, and then we'll just need some links to scroll from the top to the bottom and maybe a back to the top button. So let us set up the doc first with some kind of placeholder text. Just use the classic Lorem Ipsum text in p tags here. How's that going to work actually? The double p tags. All right, so let's just set this up with the p's and duplicate this a couple of times so that we have lots of scrollingtons. Scrollingtons, there we go. So this is the normal scroll, or like this, or like this. And now we want to set up an anchor. So to do an anchor, you just put a, oh, actually we could probably anchor the bottom one, couldn't we? Or we could just do the bottom. So div, oh no, not dov. Div ID equals bottom. No, don't do that. You can just leave it blank and it will still link to it. And then at the top, we want to add a link here to go to the bottom and one back to the top again. So div ID top. And we don't need anything there either. And then this one, we want to put a link to the bottom. href equals, I don't know why you'd ever want to scroll to the bottom. I guess you wouldn't. Bottom. And then link to that hashtag, bottom. And then we put the same on the bottom. This is getting complicated. Which links then to the top. Did I call the other one the top or the bottom? Man. Top. There we go. Now we reload this. Now let's see what happens. So see how it just jumps? Actually, this one needs to say top. Confusing myself. So here we go. I'll just turn off my page refresh meta tag. Turn that off and reload. Man, that link looks terrible. Let's change that actually. A color white. At least then I can read it. Yes. All right. So now bottom jumps to the bottom, top jumps to the top. There's no scrolling there at all. You can see how it just jumps, which is fine, but you don't really know that it's got all that text in the middle. So then if we add on body or on HTML, smooth scroll, let me just check what it is. It is. So then we go HTML and we want to go scroll behavior. And there's a few options. See, auto is none. And you just want to set it to smooth. So now if we set this to smooth, so this is reload that, and then we go bottom, it actually scrolls nicely, and then top, it scrolls. So you can see how the side bit actually scrolls up and down, which is kind of cool. And you can actually set it to certain percentages as well, but I think that's all we really wanted to test today. So there we go, nice smooth scrolling. Anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.